All right guys, sometimes I want to carry just a big knife. And here's this one right here from Off Grid Knives. This is the Stinger EDC. This is the XL. Now, for many years, I've carried this one. This is the smaller brother to it. This is my favorite all-around EDC knife. But guys, there's some days I just want to carry a bigger one, and that's what this is right here. Now, this knife, and also, just show you here as well, got a blackout version. You see the difference there between these knives here, but awesome blades. So these knives here, this is a 154 cm 4-inch blade on here, a 5 1/4 inch handle as well. Got G10 scales as well, drop point design. I think they've also got a spear point design on here as well. You got some jimping up top right here. They've cut out this little piece right here so you can actually sharpen the entire blade on there. You can kind of see the pattern on these scales, these G10 scales here. So it's not rough. You're not going to get hot spots on your hands or anything, but it definitely has a little bit of a texture to it. I love the pass-through design on here as well. So the nice thing about pass-through design is that you can just easily clean it out. When this top part is covered, then it's hard to get all the gunk and the lint and everything else out of there. Got some torque screws. So this thing flies open on these ball bearings. So you got ceramic ball bearings in here, and it is a fun blade for sure. And when it comes out with force. So guys, I know some of you really like just having a large EDC knife, and this would be a great kind of a backup camping knife if you want, or even for this size for sure, some kind of self-defense tactical purpose. You definitely use it for that. Kind of a deep finger choil right here, just protect your hand from sliding up onto the blade. A deep pocket clip, which I always appreciate in these knives. I'll show you what this kind of looks like in my pocket. So got some nice 511 pants on that I love. But here you go. So deep pocket carry. So you can only see that amount, even though it's a large blade. So on the back here, you can put this deep pocket carry on the right or left carry, and you got some inset torque screws right there on both sides, so you can change that out if you would like. The inner steel here is milled out to give it a little bit of a lighter weight, but again, you're not going to carry this because it's super lightweight. This is 6.8 ounces, so it's not going to be the lightest weight knife, but that's not why you carry a blade like this. So I really like this kind of coyote color right here, but again, we've also got this blackout version, and that's just really classy. So nice blades. Again, super fast deployment on those ceramic bearings. But what I'm going to do is drop a link for these down below, and if you put in the code provide and protect, one word, all caps, you get a discount as well. So I hope it's been helpful for you guys, and if you would be so kind to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, we appreciate you and your support for us. We'll see you in the next video.